Idol, okay ba ang skip rope, jogging, running, sports like basketball, swimming, volleyball, HIIT training, boxing, jiu-jitsu, okay lahat yan, nagbe-burn yan ng calories. Pero like running, minsan masakit sa joints, lalo na pag may edad, kagaya ko or may injury. So ang bagay sa akin, walking. Lahat sila nagbe-burn ng calories. Pero ang walking, ang binaburn niya, fat stores. Ang lahat ng activity na nabanggit natin, dahil bumibilis yung heart rate, talagang may effort, ang binaburn niya, glycogen stores, which is carb stores sa muscles at liver. Ang kinaganda ng weightlifting, ang weightlifting, nagbe-burn ka ng calories, glycogen stores ng muscles at liver, pero nagbe-build ka ng muscle. The more muscles you have, the more calories you burn. So, build muscle, walking, calorie deficit, papaya tayo, lalabas yung abs, mawawala yung bilbil, yung mga loose skin at stretch marks, mawawala, mapapalitan ng muscle. So yun yung pinaka-effective na combo na nag-work para sa akin. Pero tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor, do what works for you. Happy, healthy guys, God bless.